Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how to change your website name on Wix. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to go over to this link, manage.wix.com/account/sites. I'll leave this link in the description down below, so make sure to go ahead and click on it. You'll then be sent over to the My Sites page of Wix. Here you'll need to go over to the website you would like to change the name of. For me, this will be Wix site name before. You'll then need to click on Select and Edit Site. You will then be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. And over on this page, you'll see the name of your site, and you'll then need to go over to Site Actions and click on Rename a Site. Now I'll change my name from Wix site name before to Wix site name after. And you can then click on Save in the bottom right. You'll then see this renaming your site loading screen. And once it's loaded, it will refresh this page automatically. And as you can see, the Wix site name has been changed. I hope this video was helpful. If so, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about Wix.com.